Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back your faces to another video here on the channel. Today's one is going to be a little condensed version of what we went over last night in the live stream, as a lot of people can't make them, so they have asked me to condense them down, which I'm more than happy to do for you. Well, we went over a few things last night. Obviously the biggest one is that the judge has denied a couple of subpoenas for AH, which is tremendous. This is basically showing her that the judge is not believing her lies, which is absolutely fantastic. We do have another video out later today, so that video will be a little bit different because it's actually referring to Matt Mikkelsen, the one who is supposedly taken over from Johnny in Fantastic Beasts. Well, we got some information on that which will prove otherwise. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to jump straight into this now, so let's spin this around. This is coming from the real Laura, so Laura Bokov on Twitter. If you are not following her, here's the Twitter address for her. Go and follow her. The link will be below. And everything Laura's doing is just fantastic. She's getting all the documents early. She's put a lot of time and effort into this, and money as well. So if we can go and follow her, guys, that would be amazing to show the support. So this is what we had. Update. Johnny Depp vs. AH, California. Petition to quash Jennifer Howell is denied in full. Yes. And AH has to pay sanctions $4,290.50. So with that one there, Jennifer Howell is the owner of Art of Elysium, and she is also the one who she classed Whitney, Amber's sister, as one of her sisters herself, and she still does. She classes her as one of her best friends. If you remember in the witness statement which Jennifer did a couple of months ago when she filed it in America, she was saying this story with what Whitney has said, that Whitney saw Johnny do all his horrible things and she had to come and sleep on my floor. Well, all that's a lie. Because obviously Jennifer said, no, my guest bedroom is a bedroom. There's a bed, there's everything in there. So she slept in the bed, not on the floor. So that got rid of the one rumour straight away and the one lie that Whitney did. The other one was that Whitney went and told Jennifer herself she does not know why Johnny is still with AH because of the way she treats him. And she even said that when she went there that night to stay on the floor, according to Whitney, she said to Jennifer, AH is having a go with him again. I had to get out there because she was getting really nasty. So straight away, you got someone who was like, well, no, she told me this. Jennifer has nothing to gain by lying. She has nothing to gain, 100% nothing. And obviously, Whitney and AH, we saw them in the London trial. They had to meet each other for one morning, even though they were together anyway, because some of their dates in their statements didn't match up, which just goes to show that a lot of things that they were saying in their testimonies and when they were on the stand and talking to people, it was all lies. But obviously with Jennifer doing that is absolutely amazing, and with the judge saying to her, no, her testimony stays. So with the judge basically saying, AH, I don't condone your lies, this is being denied, and it's denied in full, which is tremendous. And this is only going to show now that Jennifer, she's going to be saying the truth. Not Johnny's truth, not AH's truth, not Whitney's truth, but the truth. Because like I said, she has nothing to gain from it. And obviously the second part, number 2, petition to quash the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles denied, in part 3 and 4. AH to pay sanctions of $4,732.50. So we will be looking into these now. So this is the first part we got. After hearing argument of counsel, the court issued a minute order, a copy of which is attached hereto as Exhibit 1. As set forth in the court's minute order, the court ordered as follows. Number 1. The Howell petition is denied in its entirety. Love that. Number 2. An award of sanctions is ordered against Miss H and her attorneys, Craig, John, Kristen, jointly and severally in connection with the Howell petition in the amount of $4,290.50, payable within 30 days. The Children's Hospital of Los Angeles petition is denied. However, the subpoena to the Children's Hospital is modified to exclude request numbers 3 and 4, and the court clarifies that the Children's Hospital is not required to produce accounting records. Number 4, an award of sanctions is ordered against her and her attorneys, so Craig, John and Kristen again, jointly and severally, all is the same again, in the amount of $4,732.50, payable within 30 days. And then this is what we got now. So these are the requests for the actual documents. Obviously 3 and 4, they're not allowed in it, but we still have 1, 2 and 5 for the Children's Hospital. So, request number 1. All documents that refer, reflect, or relate to any donations made to you or for your benefit by Amber from January the 1st, 2016 through and including the present. So that one there, basically, the judge has said, right, Children's Hospital, we want all documents which show that if she has sent any donation to you, we would like that documentation. Request number 2, all communications between you and AH regarding any donations made to you or for your benefit by AH from January the 1st until now. And then obviously number 3 and 4, they were just, we don't want them ones. That was literally like they're saying, communications regarding what's gone on. But then you got number 5, all documents including all communications that refer, reflect, or relate to any press releases, public statements, or other publicity related to any donations made by AH to you or for your benefit from January the 1st, 2016 through and including the present, which is absolutely just amazing. And I love the fact that the judge has gone, no, these people, they are coming through with it. We are not going to give up to your bull, which you probably got away with in London. And this judge, he is taking no bull whatsoever. And to be honest with you, this is what we needed. It is a small win for Johnny, but to be honest with you, even though it's a small win, it does feel like a big win. Because obviously, the way the London case went, the way a lot of cases have gone recently as well, just him losing his job in Fantastic Beasts. We saw that in the video the other day where they're like, Warner Brothers cannot get rid of her because of a civil judgment, even though the public judgment is against him. It's just crazy to see. But seeing this though, and seeing that she literally has to pay sanctions, and Jennifer Howell is allowed her testimony, and that the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, the one that she said she gave millions of dollars to, even though there's actual evidence stating that she only had I think she donated like $100,000, but that was from Johnny, which is just tremendous to see. So what we're going to do, we're going to wrap up this video, say this is what we spoke about in the live stream. There was a few other things, but that was mostly just here and there, going through other websites. But like I said, guys, I will be doing these videos for you, so if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, hit that join button, because you get all cool perks, and I hope to see each and every one of you soon.